You searched on Google probably 10,000 times. You've never once seen page 2. Not because you decided it wasn't worth it. You just stopped arriving at the moment where opening it was even a question. Think about what actually happens when you search. You type something. The first result loads. You glance at it. Maybe the second one too. You click one. You don't open a third tab. You don't scroll to the bottom of the page. You definitely don't press 2. That's the whole process now. 10 results have shrunk down to 2 or 3 that count. The other 7 are still sitting there. You just never look. Page 2 used to be where you went when page 1 didn't have what you needed. Now, you don't even register that it's missing. If the first page doesn't satisfy you, you don't go further. You rephrase the question and search again. Going deeper got replaced by asking again. You think you're refining the search. You're actually avoiding the place you stopped trusting. This isn't an accident. For 20 years, search engines watched exactly where people clicked. They learned almost nobody scrolled past the first 3 results. So the work of deciding what's worth seeing moved off the page into the ranking before you ever typed anything. By the time you search, that decision already happened. Page 1 isn't the top of a list. It's the only list that was built for you to see. Less than 1% of searches ever reach page 2. Not because page 2 is wrong, because the page was never designed to be reached. It was designed to be skipped by you specifically, based on what people like you already did. Here's what quietly disappeared: the instinct to check a second source, the tolerance for an answer that isn't immediately satisfying, the awareness that first and correct were never the same word. You used to evaluate. Now you accept position as evidence. That trade never asked your permission. It happened in click data, years before you searched anything today. You're not less curious. You just stopped needing curiosity to find an answer that feels complete enough to stop on. When was the last time a search result didn't satisfy you and you went looking anyway?